Picture this: a world where every meal is not only delicious but also contributes to your overall health and well-being. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if we told you it's entirely possible? And it starts with a simple 14-day meal plan. Unhealthy eating habits, we've all been there. They sneak up on us, and before we know it, we're struggling to break free from the cycle. But here's some good news. Our 14-day meal plan is designed to help. This plan isn't just a list of meals. It's a carefully crafted journey towards healthier living, with each meal playing a key role in your overall health. All meals are under 1,200 calories, making it perfect for those looking to maintain or even lose weight. Breakfast, they say, is the most important meal of the day, and we couldn't agree more. Our breakfast options are not only tasty, but also packed with essential nutrients to get your day started. Think along the lines of oatmeal topped with fresh berries, or a delicious vegetable omelette. Lunch is all about maintaining that energy level. Our lunch options, such as grilled chicken salad or a hearty vegetable soup, are designed to keep you going without feeling sluggish or overly full. As for dinner, it's time to wind down and nourish your body. Imagine sitting down to a plate of grilled salmon with a side of steamed vegetables or a bowl of quinoa stir-fry. These meals are not only satisfying, but also contribute to a good night's sleep. And let's not forget about those in-between moments. Snacks are an essential part of our meal plan. Healthy options like carrot sticks with hummus or a handful of almonds can curb those cravings and keep you on track. Each meal in this plan is a building block to a healthier you. They are not only delicious but also packed with whole, unprocessed ingredients that your body will thank you for. Now, you might be wondering, what happens after these 14 days? Well, the key is to take the principles you've learned and apply them to your daily life. At the grocery store, opt for fresh produce and lean proteins. Avoid processed foods and those with high sugar content. And remember, portion control is key. Meal prepping is another great habit to continue. Preparing meals in advance can save you time, reduce stress, and help you stick to your healthy eating goals. And finally, listen to your body. If you're not hungry, don't eat. If you're feeling full, it's okay to stop eating. This is about nourishing your body, not overstuffing it. So, embark on this 14-day journey towards healthier living. You'll be amazed at how much better you'll feel when your meals are not just delicious, but also contribute to your overall well-being. And remember, healthy eating isn't about deprivation. It's about feeding your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. With this 14-day meal plan, you're not just taking a step towards healthier living, you're starting a journey that can last a lifetime. The path to a healthier you starts with a single meal. So why not start today? Soon, you'll see that a world where every meal contributes to your overall health isn't just a dream. It's a reality that's just a bite away. And that's a wrap on our 14-day meal plan. Here's to healthier, happier, and more nourishing days ahead.